the Omaka Air Show. That's fantastic. Start your engines.
Okay, go.
Those magnificent men and their flying machines. Whoa! Men and their flying machines, they go up, they go down, down. Wow, this guy's really good with this plane. Just did a loop-de-loop. Here we are at the air show at Omaka.
A colourful one. Hey!
Oh.
They're not doing a full display, ladies and gents, just a little
Look at that!
Coming down for a photo opportunity now. Those of you who are lucky enough to be here tomorrow and Sunday will see the full roll demonstration.
And look, so you can see the moon in the back.
Showing you a little bit more of what helicopters are capable
And we're at a display here. This is where these folks are living, our friends.
And how it works in support of ground.
That was fantastic, Judy.
But basically it's just out here to
And for your next trip, trick rather.
I felt like I missed last year though, and it's really made me nervous.
Yeah, so
And here comes Collin.
They are basically our farewell to the Huey. We will be flying a couple more times out of Omaka. And keeping up all this
Ah, Collin, you make it look so easy.
John, with these planes?
Oh, very old planes, yeah. Lots of them.
Lots of them, I know, yeah. They're fantastic.
The last day of the Omaka Air Show in Marlborough.
Yes.
It's fantastic.
It's a beautiful day. Actually, I think it's a beautiful day. It's a good day for the race. Exactly. A bit of activity with the planes.
Away from the birds, eh?
through again, and I mean, sorry, in the extended pick. Obviously, but I promise you it's a wonderful experience.
States who only wanted the engines and purchased entire aeroplanes, took the engines and they picked a few years ago at around about $250,000. It's just the way, it's the law of supply and demand. So that's, and the Devon, which has been recently reactivated. And I was just saying to Graham Orphan earlier, it reminded me of being a teenager on a trip to Christchurch, going over the Softburn flyover, and looking back out down towards the Wigram Tower and seeing a line of Devons, those orange and grey Devons and orange and grey Harvards. And that all came back yesterday, quite an emotional thing. In some ways it was probably the highlight of the day for me, but then I'm a bit different. So they can see what's happening ahead. And just airborne there and taking up quite a sizable length of that runway, if you don't mind me saying, is Plonky, the Grumman Avenger.
Okay, F-27 Friendship coming in from the left. Tim Sullivan and Jerry Chisholm at the controls. And this is a high-speed pass, Friendship style.
It's high speed, or I can hardly keep up with it. Wow.
A huge thing.
I'll tell you what, there's one thing you have to say about the Friendship. It's a good-looking aeroplane. You know, the DC-3 looks like it's a real classic of its time. And this aircraft, which in many ways replaced it on some of the major regional routes around New Zealand, also is a
still parts available. It's a really hot little airframe, very compact, quite sleek, very fast. I remember one of the first ones I went to back in '94 where a Mustang came screaming.
Second of the two, Yak Free's Graham Fruits machine was basically put together here at Omaka by...
It's coming around the corner. Had another 6 during the Second World War. the boomerangs that fly straight from RWF based out of Torquay and Oakendale would locate markets, stop a smoke.
That's the P40. How do you reckon those normal operators would have felt years later know that they were putting themselves through all of these guys? But like a hand in a glove, those two, aren't they? They're so tight.
They are 170 times as much.
Tell you what, Graham, at your awards dinner tonight, you need to create another category for best air show. You get to go to the toilet without these airplanes. You're a bit off, Pete. No, really. The only comparable restroom for an air show I've seen would be Plains and Fame in California. They've got a marvellous restroom too. Very similar to that. That's outstanding.
Actually a hat.
Not a hat, yeah.
Pretty funny.
Comes the benefit. There goes our V1 rocket. And we do like to talk about things that you won't see anywhere else. This is seriously something you won't see anywhere else.
It's amazing.
Very menacing, very sinister spectre from the 1944 era, London, England. If you saw one of these coming towards your part of the city, pretty discouraging.
I haven't got my camera out, I'm supposed to miss this much months.
There's 6 Starbucks.
No, I don't do that.
And followed by the yes, as it should be. And the message from 108.
I made that 28 aircraft on this little scenario, making it a very impressive occasion to be a part of.
And there's a reason the Anson's flying right over the top of us.
Poppies for everyone.
Now they left the release of the poppies.
Put it in gear. Well done.
Better than flying an aeroplane.
Doesn't say.
Probably safer.
Mixture of people.
Oops. So it's a replica. I can't remember the name of it now, but isn't that rather funny? I say, I don't think it's going to get off the crowd.